Hello, in this video series, I'll show you how to set up your Mac computer and install the softwares you need to complete your cloud projects. Some softwares that I'll show you how to install on your computer are Item 2, Git, Visual Studio Code, Terraform, Docker, and more. Before you install the softwares that I mentioned on your computer, the first thing we will do in this lecture is install Homebrew. Homebrew is an open source software that you can use to install any apps or software on your Mac computer. To install Homebrew on your computer, I want you to go to Google, and in Google, type Homebrew in the search box. Once you type Homebrew, press enter. Under your Google search results, the URL is brew.sh. Select Homebrew, and it will bring you to this Homebrew page. The first thing we need to do is install Homebrew on our computer, and the command to install Homebrew on your computer is this command. All you have to do is click this box here to copy it. Once you have copied the command, open the terminal on your computer. To open the terminal on your computer, press Command and the spacebar key. Then type terminal in the search box. Once you type terminal, you'll see terminal here. Select it. Once you open the terminal, paste the command you copied in there. I'm going to right click and paste the command in. Once you have pasted the command, press the return key. If you have a password on your computer, it will ask you for the password of your computer. Enter the password in here. When you type the password, it is not going to show anything on the screen. Enter your password and press the return key. It is now installing Homebrew. Press the return key again. And there you go. It is installing Homebrew, and we will give it some time to finish installing it. After waiting a couple of minutes, it has successfully installed Homebrew on my computer. Please keep in mind that I fast forward this video during the installation process, and it will take some time to install Homebrew on your computer. Once Homebrew has been successfully installed on your computer, you should see this output here. This is how you install Homebrew on your computer, and we can use it to install all the other softwares we need. If you have a question or there's any part of this lecture you don't understand, please leave your comments below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.